Hi, I'm Shaima Ghafoor. I am currently on a sabbatical in my career. I took a few months off to think about what I want to do next, so it's a transitional point in my life. I took Jim's happiness class and I really enjoyed it because it came at the right time, especially right now when I'm at a transitional point in my life. He asked us several questions that required me to dig deep internally to understand what my own personal goals are in life, but also to understand what my skills and capabilities are, and I think it really helped me figure out what I want to do next.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, make sure to share with your friends, and then also you can click the red subscribe button in the corner there to get regular video updates from me. Hope you find that helpful. Take care. Thanks.